It becomes dangerous when you, as an individual, go to everyone else for enlightenment, seeking wisdom and knowledge of thyself. Learn to protect your light with a cloak of darkness. It is in the dark walls. I don't know how many times I'm going to repeat this. It is in the dark walls that your light shines. Cloak yourself, because the individuals that you may be going to, trusting, and not everyone is prophetic. Not everyone has that gift. Understand this. They project, they traumatize, they use scare tactics. They use your energy. You were and have such an energy that so many vampire leeches have drained you. If they could have sucked the blood out of you, they would have. Understand why the Most High removes certain individuals from certain people, places, and things. It's a protection, an agreement that you made with the Most High. Learn to heal yourself through your journey. I had a feeling of someone crying, of someone hurt. Now I'm having a feeling of like an anxiety, and I know it's not me. Wherever you were removed from, those people will continue to get and reap what they did to you. Learn how to protect your energy. Learn how to protect your light. You don't have to speak and say so much about yourself. So many are curious into who is this person? How does this happen for this person? And when they see your light shine, they know enough tactics to take you down. Be careful out there, man. This shit ain't for the weak.